Hello everyone and welcome back to RJ Album Design. If you're a wedding photographer, album designer or photo studio owner looking for elegant Tamil wedding titles for your client projects, then today's video is just for you. In this video, I'm sharing a collection of the best Tamil wedding titles Editable PSD. These premium title designs are perfect for wedding albums, photo books, social media posts and other creative wedding projects. All the PSD files are fully editable with well-organized layers, making it easy to customize the text, colors, and design in Adobe Photoshop. Plus, all the fonts used are free, so you can start editing right away. Whether you're designing traditional Tamil wedding albums or creating premium client work, this PSD collection will help you save time and give your designs a professional look. The free download link is available in the video description below. So, without any further delay, let's get started and explore these amazing Tamil wedding titles PSD designs. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to RJ Album Design for more free PSD resources. Let's begin.